In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in a Salesforce email template. This is an essential task for anyone wanting to ensure compliance with email marketing standards and providing recipients with an easy option to opt out of future communications. To get started, we'll first make our way to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're logged in, take a moment to get comfortable navigating around. On the homepage, you'll notice various widgets and options designed to make Salesforce more dynamic. Our main focus today is to head over to the email templates section. To do this, look for the app launcher icon on your Salesforce homepage. It's typically represented by a grid icon located at the upper left-hand corner. When you click on it, all your available applications in different sections will be displayed. In our case, you want to scroll through and look for email templates. Click on email templates. This will likely take you to a page showing all your existing email templates. For this tutorial, we're going to create a new one, which is essential if you want to insert an unsubscribe link. Now look for the new email template button, usually found prominently on the page, and click on it. By clicking here, you'll be prompted to fill out several key fields to define your new template. Let's start by giving your email template a name. Choose something descriptive that will help you identify the purpose of this email in the future. Then, click on the email template name field to enter your desired name. Next up is choosing the related entity type. This step is crucial because it determines what table or object the email template will pull data from within Salesforce. Click Related Entity Type and select from the drop-down list that appears. Once you have set the related entity type, it's important to fill the description box. This is not mandatory, but providing an insightful description can be helpful for you or team members down the line. So go ahead and write a brief summary of what this template will be used for. The subject line of your email is next. Click on the subject field and type in a captivating, clear subject that reflects the content of the email. It's what your recipients see first, and so it's your opportunity to use an engaging introduction. Finally, it's time to get into the content of your email. Click HTML value to begin editing the main body of your template. Here's where you'll write the content of your message and, importantly, add the unsubscribe link. The unsubscribe language could be something like, click here to unsubscribe, and you need to embed an actual URL that handles unsubscribe requests in this link. That's it. You have now created an email template with an unsubscribe link in Salesforce. Make sure you review and test your template before sending it out, as this ensures all links work and content appears as intended in recipients' inboxes.